Hey Sean, it's Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you a few things that I found with your top competitors that you could do if you were or when you do build your own website for Wheatley's Marine. Now you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's super simple. There are a lot of business owners out there that are so busy running their own company that they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them even more business. So I started making these videos and giving them away for free. Some folks call me back after watching this, and some do this stuff themselves. Whatever you would like to do is okay with me. It's just free information that will help you rank on Google if you follow these tips. So the three things we're going to talk about today are content, backlinks, and citations. I do want to comment, your logo is really great. It would look really good on a website. But since you don't have a website, I'm just going to pull up one of the top competitors in the Bristol area. And this is Bristol Boat Doctors. So some good things to note about their website. Contact information is readily available up at the top. Their name, different things that they do, just right here, right up here. Obviously they sell boats too, but you could focus more on the repairs and stuff and that kind of thing, the services that you offer for repairs and that kind of stuff. And then you can also offer a different services pages for the different areas that you would serve, and that can help rank you as well in other areas and bring more clients to you. Now, the one thing that Google really likes is content, and they prefer that you be within a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark as far as content goes on your homepage. And so I've gone ahead and put the Bristol Boat Doctors into wordcounter.net, and as you can see, they're sitting at 342 words on their homepage, so they're pretty far below that 1,500 mark that Google wants you to be at. On top of that, Google likes if you sprinkle in some keywords, things like boat repair Bristol, boat maintenance Bristol, and then obviously you can change that up for different service areas as well. Google will read those. In addition, any pictures that are on your website, you can also save those before uploading them to your website as keywords. Google will read those as well, and they'll help you rank. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. So Google is similar to a popularity contest, so backlinks are very important because Google wants to see a bunch of other websites vouching for you, saying that you are trustworthy, but Google has to make sure that those backlinks are trustworthy and relevant as well. So it's like a network of trustworthy websites just linking to each other, and you need to get some of those linking to you. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, so you're not going to hold the same amount of power if you have something like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you aren't a pizza company. Now, I put Bristol Boat Doctors into what I use to check backlinks. This tool is called Ahrefs, and as you can see, they have 17 referring domains or websites linking back to them. So what you can do once you build a website is just click into their referring domains and get yourself added to all of these same pages. Now, all you have to do that is to either create a profile or email the account owner. Sometimes you pay a monthly fee, but it can be worth it when you start to get that organic traffic that's increasing because people are viewing your website and they're looking for someone to help fix their boat. And you have to keep in mind that people aren't just Googling boat repair for fun. And so the more traffic you can get to your website, the better. This is another way to find those organic keywords for your content. You can look into what other people have listed for theirs and then cater it a little bit more towards you. Again, adding things like boat repair, boat maintenance, the different service areas you do it for, and then trying to get yourself ranked up in the first or second spots for those organic words. Now, the last thing that we're going to talk about is citations. And what I mean by citations is this area right here. This is called the local map pack or Google My Business. And you get up here by having citations listed in directories. A citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number listed in a directory, and a directory is just a website that will list your business's information. These include things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Instagram, things like that. So what I would do if I were in your shoes is I would find out all the places that my top competitors had their citations listed in, and I would list mine in that as well. And then I would go above and beyond that, and if they were in, say, 50 places, I would put myself into 100 or maybe even 150 places. So that's all I've got for you. I've tried to keep this informative and helpful while keeping it short and to the point. So just a quick recap. Once you get that website built up, you want to make sure that you've got that 1,500 to 2,000 word mark for content, and you want to make sure you have some of those keywords sprinkled in there, especially buyer intent keywords. And then we talked about backlinks, so you want to get yourself added to all those same websites that are linking back to your competitors. You want to be on those same ones. And then finally, we talked about the Google Map Pack and how you can get yourself up here by listing your citations in as many directories as you can. And doing those 3 things, you can become #1 all across Google. So right up here and ranking organically right down here, which just shows that Google trusts you and lets your clients know that they can trust you as well. Now you're probably wondering, what do I do now? So you've got 2 options. You can take this information and you can knock it all out on your own, and I totally invite you to do that. It does take some time to rank, so the sooner you get started, the better. And if you're like other folks that I talk to and you want this done, but you don't have a lot of time to do it yourself, feel free to give me a call. I'd love to talk to you about your goals and come up with a plan for you. You can reach me by phone call or text message at 406-530-7548. Thank you.